Good morning, students. Welcome to the chemistry class. Today, we are going to study about carboxylic acids. The objectives of the topic are Introduction to carboxylic acids, classification of carboxylic acids, acetic acid, preparation of acetic acid, physical properties of acetic acid, chemical properties of acetic acid, test for acetic acid, uses of acetic acid. Let's start with the introduction. An organic compound containing the carboxyl group is known as carboxylic acid. Its functional group is COOH. Here, one of the valencies of carbon is satisfied by either an alkyl group or by hydrogen atom. The general formula for carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 COOH, where N is the number of carbon atoms. Moving forward, let's study about classification of carboxylic acid. An organic compound containing one carboxyl group is called monocarboxylic acid. For example, formic acid, acetic acid. On the other hand, an organic compound containing two carboxyl groups is called dicarboxylic acid. For example, oxalic acid. Let's study about acetic acid. The molecular formula for acetic acid is CH3COOH. Its structural formula is like this. The IUPAC name of acetic acid is ethanoic acid. Physical properties of acetic acid. Physical state. Pure acetic acid is a colorless liquid. Odor. Acetic acid has a characteristic pungent smell. Moving forward, the boiling point of acetic acid is 118 degrees Celsius and melting point of acetic acid is 17 degrees Celsius. On cooling, acetic acid forms a crystalline mass just like ice, so it is also called glacial acetic acid. Next property is nature. Acetic acid is hygroscopic in nature. Now students, what is hygroscopic? Substance which absorbs moisture from atmosphere without dissolving in it is called hygroscopic. Next property is solubility. Acetic acid is soluble in water, alcohol, and ether in all proportions. Moving forward, let's study about chemical properties of acetic acid. Acetic acid is a weak acid, so it turns moist blue litmus red. Reaction with active metals. Acetic acid reacts with active metals like zinc and produce zinc acetate and hydrogen gas. Similarly, acetic acid reacts with magnesium to produce magnesium acetate and hydrogen gas. Reaction with alkalis. Acetic acid reacts with alkalis like sodium hydroxide to produce sodium acetate and water. Similarly, acetic acid reacts with ammonium hydroxide to produce ammonium acetate and water. Next is reaction with carbonates. Acetic acid reacts with sodium carbonate to produce sodium acetate, carbon dioxide gas, and water. Reaction with hydrogen carbonates. Formic acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate to produce sodium formate, carbon dioxide gas, and water. Moving forward, let's study about esterification reaction. In this, acetic acid reacts with ethanol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to produce ethyl acetate and water. The structure of ethyl acetate is like this. It is an ester which has a sweet smell. So, this reaction is called esterification reaction. Next reaction is when acetic acid is heated with phosphorus pentoxide, it produces acetic anhydride and water. Reduction of acetic acid. In this, strong reducing agents such as lithium aluminum hydride will reduce ethanoic acid to ethanol. Moving forward, let's study about test for acetic acid. On adding ethanoic acid to carbonates and bicarbonates, carbon dioxide is evolved. When warmed with ethyl alcohol and concentrated sulfuric acid, a pleasant fruity smell of ethyl acetate is produced. On adding neutral iron chloride, wine red color is produced. So, these are the various tests for detecting the presence of acetic acid. Moving forward, let's study about uses of acetic acid. Acetic acid is used in perfumes. It is used in coagulation of rubber from latex. It is also used as vinegar. Acetic acid is used to produce amyl acetate, which is used as a flavoring agent for chewing gums. Acetic acid is also used in medicines and in packaging materials. Students, this was all about today's lecture. Thank you.